Hey guys, today I was trying to view, or how to see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. So if you guys are wondering how to view your public profile or the people who have viewed your public profile on Snapchat, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to view this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first, in order for us to do this, is to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Now, once you've already logged into your account, what we need to proceed to next is to tap on the Snapchat profile on the top left corner, and then from here, I want you to proceed with tapping on your public profile options right here. Now, as you would notice, right from here, well, Snapchat doesn't really give us the option for viewing the people who view our account. So what are the ways that we could actually do? Well, you just go ahead and understand that Snapchat does prioritize the privacy of every user, so it won't really give out specific information like this with people viewing your public profile. And in order for Snapchat to protect your privacy, it actually goes ahead and do that. So that is all for this video guys. Essentially, they really want to be giving you some false information and telling you guys that this is actually possible. But as of the current moment, on the current update, prioritizing the privacy of its users, Snapchat actually does that in order for, of course, to be practicing integrity with its rules and regulations and protect your privacy. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.